Is jos ceann cúlas bharai or Lake Brador ha Baile Nan Gaidheal. Ache a ha tort scialach iachtri is canain bio.
Hello, Hannah.
Sin sivé.
Cymra hashu.
Ha gyme.
Ma dy chwynio chi.
Ha homer, gan i
O,
fwyd.
ha nam ysgol chi ddoi gan ni.
Wel, nach sin je he. Nawn so a hwlo o, yw sin efo siwr siaw, gyda.
Ha ma dy sio ddech ion do.
Wel, si Taigh-tasgaidh honin, siaw ac Baile Nan Gaidheal, agos bu sin rictach na Gael awn an ALBA nwy ar fat. Agos, ha yn tatio siaw a chwrdd doi med cad ceir elmanin re Córas cíad bliana, mar a hannig na Gael as ALBA, mar a húni cid a seo agus mar a chumad ar urst. No ha tóca weekend ar an torst fo jiffer skieren as a frávent agus cutú ar an tóca le seo cutach. Agus bí sin gíse a néach sin don newin a hic le cad character in an sceachtaí is brúniad roimh mar a had. Gan a dríadug fudach anna 1850 no 1925 no give a jibli an a hem.
A sin íontach agus a bhfuil gael gachas an cydioch.
Caú bec in de gael go thuladúneach. Ha coachach na hafilanta, so sin persin operacum, sé ben chlesicha honam. So seo equish Malaga watch.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Hai mór, caú.
Ochan fichiad blione chai eklish Malaga watch. Eklish einigtje Canada a chai a tógal anna noch kiad diag siachgad sa céhad a hort turis somriche. Coig míle diag har a chuain en thogalach slán barge go rike in lárach seo. Díadach mar can bigi sesún seo díamh.
Na Gael a hanna go ALBA nuaibh havór lei yw nan cléirí gus a léile nan cathlaí. So ar dé cáirsnach an sa bhealú hiú háast mar a chuoinnig atas ó sé cáirsnach cathlach a hena sounddraach ma héidir go gin cúil was bheith had nan prástaní. Ach ha rot go me intinach an san elma her seo an na 1890s. Ha rot gan na tachirst an na cáirsnach an prástaní sés can be sedavis common achga outdoor communion service agus hickig na mílchin da gúne ann fat seach gan agus hickig as all hatche san a rotchin as vagamaintin auch is vigshin an the tachers an the different atchichin er figin yellen.
Agus il seo a chlachca gniu.
Yeah, be muinted an atche sin Malaga watch tían a seo has ta vor hola blianas be shedavish achga an sin sin I guess be fémin chin an or some past again this mar sin.
So tae logich an seo.
Sé.
Dálainn.
Well, sé fecar spatula hamar seo.
Chad somaríide ma.
Gyda, hwnia cyn sy'n hwyl o'r rot. Nid hannig fewin yn awl, na hyd tai yn cwmwysach yr ofach mae'r ystrych, na'n chica go naw can a stawn o'r gnor siadach, gyd gan togwg to bochen bec, agos gyffwri y tŵ ewn fat yn theori, at y fel togol tai logich hyn, ach na'n chica tŵ ewn a stowyd, Gematrik fe fewin fwrwch le tiwch elef at y iawn rydych an nach rhawn iawn tai hirst a hokol. She 1850 a hawn, I guess. Ha fewin ydw i chi'n fat cordus leiched bliana, ach ha sy'n cader stat yn drast. Ha fewin awn, ha Gael ffigyn at an y tyfyn yn i'r na ALBA nwy. Ach ha fewin e lawn cwtioch, ha a fan y migma awn o hws, I guess. Ha carsnich yn Frangish, I guess. Such an Acadian ich, I guess, coach the Dugunya Hassan, I guess, Jiffer chicken coach, I guess, Aiden ich, so.
Agus am eich tog an seo tuchlich yn seo riekin min aimsin.
Oh, vi gyda. Vi gyda gan be a coach tá seach ta'n frame a hokol ach sin cael gyrwch tá seach. Sin sif gyda Anna? Ha, gyme. Gyme na si bein.
Os mis i gyma, cwtio.
Gleife.
A seo ion, da ha si traen gynnu.
Oh, see ya. Echo of minutes not half, they say.
When it doesn't work, I sometimes say a bad word.
Na si chin a ríist, den é. Codi a bhóteach ar a hola sían. Tá sin has down in 1850, I guess, hócagan tá seo ma fichit bliana ranam sin, I guess, so manam seo had tá seo chud rivi fast nas pouche. A rota haun fémin tú vi an an áte fad a bhil mullen savi, san divorced a dhéadach bhíg pizzas mar a chanach de cuch san búrst a ha ag le waibh ach sé oparómh ach mó a hamar sin is mar a sí ra féin tocoltaíon mar seo mud a ró mola néam. Sés go bhfuil peile dúine fecail in áite sa ha mór in dá gan na Boston States mar a chanasit is Mach West down in Canada is imime doch difir áite hena tréinich an an rás tan batí an a fáh a si sa seo agus a han mór in de gopa éam san duine aga. Had she announced in the 1920s, the show, I guess, san Taigh-tasgaidh, I guess. An ALBA nuig, she neach go me comanta gare in Taigh-tasgaidh atcha a ha céiltearí Calcan and I guess Cail Gaidheal. Hannig wogan na stí nach ró cetic féin a bhí Baile Nan Gaidheal íchid an brain in Taigh-tasgaidh. I guess a rota hacharig hickig imidach past gan a skull is gun go bearwach coachach haró fisach get an enam an sa verwa I guess so bheit coachid in penasol go sunshine I guess ach a rotas mó sé go de an nádahug agus gan scoid a bhí Baile Nan Gaidheal ag jerig na 1800s had a táas go suasarí 100,000 a duine an ALBA nua Baile Nan Gaidheal. I guess has she na show a one due on a 2023 I guess had the grind at their meal is Davy la dunya a very nice Gaelic goida so she a viking and cow a hacher to the stay back in the battle because kid bliana Gingivalori
give her a hash of it hey
come here smell viking
I gave it to you
Chaile me sigurí buaníide nó thank
and
you.
gave tea
Gawi, yeah. Mago.
And you listen to her when Dory tea she tea
Who am I for you? Some knowledge.
Strong, I'm afraid.
I'm a large the Hamagadi top lads, Lori. What a beautiful stove you have to work with here.
Yes, it's all new, you know. Everybody's at the catalogue these days, you know. Try to pick out the best, and this one has got a thermometer on the oven, and of course we love this. This is the warming oven. The men are always late, so you put your dinner up there, you know. It's a great little stove. It'll heat you up right. This room is beautiful in the winter time. And of course, you know, you have to have the shillings now. That's the big thing, the pennies. You've got to carry on saving the pennies and saving the pennies till you can get something nice like this on my dining room table over there. And the barrels of flour coming from out Manitoba way on the train. It's all coming on the train. I've got a washing machine.
Oh, wow. Very modern.
Oh, indeed, gee, yeah, the neighbours all came around when I got that. And I had to tell them right away, I'm not going to be doing their wash just because I have a washing machine.
Oh, they'll all be wanting to be your friend then to get your washing machine on the go.
Indeed, yeah.
So how long do you have to stay in character for? Are you in character all day?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Excellent.
I miss your Florrie.
Well, tap a later, Florrie. Lovely.
Yeah, that's all my nice wallpaper, and you know, look, we got the relatives up there on the walls now. Everybody has to have their picture taken, their portrait they call it, you know. I've got a telephone here too. Now this will vibrate and come down, these little things here, you see. And it doesn't have, see, it's only run by battery. There's no electricity into this. We don't have electricity. This is my batteries.
Right.
These are my cell batteries here. So we got them in the back. So this will vibrate and come down now. So now we've got somebody on the line here. Okay. This is Mickey Jan H. Okay, Mickey Jan H. Now he's looking to talk to Joe Rig Rory over there in Washabuck. Okay, the Washabuck line is line 24. Anybody on the line? Anyone on the line? Nobody on the line. Okay, so let me call her up here. 1, 2, 3. That's Joe Rig Rory's ring, you know? Okay, so I just stay on the line because they're not going to be talking a long time.
So you're eavesdropping?
I'm not eavesdropping, it's my job. I talk on the line, I stay on the line, they know I'm there, you know. It's only a quick conversation, oh, they're all done, okay. So then, you see, that's why I'm on the line, because I have to disconnect those.
Okie-dokie.
You know, because somebody could be wanting that line, and there's, you know, 6 people on the Washabuck line, and there's 5 people on the Jamesville line. So those people can't use the phone while those 2 other fellows are talking. Mickey H from Jamesville and Joe Red Rory from Oshawa.
So you know everything that's going on.
I know. I sort of told you. I said I'm a very important person.
You know all
They
the
all
ghosts.
call me up.
You know all the ghosts.
I do. I do. I do.